Hello everybody, my name is Trinity and today I'm going to be unboxing this Visuo Siluroid drone with a high definition camera that takes both photos and videos. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and first thing inside the box is the drone itself, and it just packs up in a little box like this, so that's really great. And then the next thing is the transmitter with all of its really cool buttons, so that's really great. And underneath the packaging here, we have the accessories bag with the prop guards, and looks like spare blades in here, and then the charging cable. We have the user where's the battery? Oh, it's already in the drone, so that's perfect. So that just about wraps it up. I think this is a really cool drone, and which is perfect. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to give it a like, and to God be all the glory.
No, go.
No, because I didn't hear the button.
Okay, go. Seriously. Okay, you ready? 3, 2.
Dad, I was not ready that time. Can you please redo it?
I'm pausing it, so you're not going to hit the button. Okay, ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, so today I'm going, nope, I did it wrong.